I don't know if I should share this, but I want to tell you about how I went broke and almost lost my house. When I was a kid, I was really into juggling, which came in handy because at 13, I left home and I made a living juggling on street corners. And that led to a life in show business. I was on TV, I was on Johnny Carson, I did a whole lot of shows, but there were always long gaps between gigs, so I struggled to buy this little house. But then one day, a bank error ruined my credit, I almost went bankrupt, I almost lost that house. I was 40 years old and I felt like a loser. So I learned everything I could about credit repair and I fixed my credit. And I created software to help other people with their credit. And these people on the wall here behind me, they've each made over $1 million helping people with their credit. So if you want to learn more about credit repair, click the plus button and I'll share with you everything that I learned along the way.